Number 5, each pair of figures here is similar. You're going to find the missing sides. Because they are all similar, you are allowed to set up a proportional between the triangles, between their ratios. So here I'm going to color code it. This is going to be my blue, this is going to be my blue, and then this is going to be my red. Oh, and this is going to be my red over my red. All right, so I'm going to do this ratio of 9 is going to be divided by my X, which is my red, is going to be equal to the other blue from the other side, 54 over the red of 30. Now I can cross multiply. 9 times 30 equals to 54 times X. 9 times 30, it is 270 is equal to 54X. Divide by 54 to both sides. This is going to now get you, let's see, 270 divided by 54 equals to 5 is equal to X. Let's do the next one. I'm going to label some images here. So this is going to be blue, and this is red. This is going to be blue for the small one, for the larger one, and this is going to be red. Okay, I'm going to set up my ratio here. The left shape is equal to the right shape. So the 13 on blue here is going to be divided by the X. Then we have the 130 on the other side, which is in blue, divided by the red 90 here. Now we can cross multiply. 13 times 90 is equal to X times 130. So we have 13 times 90 is equal to 1,770 is equal to 130X. Divide by 130 to both sides. You get 9 is equal to X. And let's do the last one. So here you go. The left ratio is going to be equal to the right ratio. That's going to be the proportion. Let's draw this here. We have this. This is going to be blue. Then this is going to be red. This is going to be blue because those are corresponding. If you see that, and then this is going to be X. All right. So we can do 11 over 4 is equal to X is over 52. Now we can cross multiply. 11 times 52 is going to be equal to X times 4. 52 times 11 is 572 is equal to 4X. Divide by 4 to both sides. 572 divided by 4 gets you 143. There you go. So you just have to look at its corresponding sides, then set up the proportion, then solve for X.